This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Carswell. Strictly sold as is. Brand new windows to be installed week of June 14th. Square footage does not include converted carport area that is now being used as additional living space/family room. Come see this 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch located in Cavalier Manor section of Portsmouth. This home has hardwood flooring throughout and a fenced-in backyard. Much more spacious inside than what you see on the outside. Great potential and investment opportunity. Conveniently located near interstates, Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, Tidewater Community College, public transportation and more. For more information, review the details below.